I promise you have heard SEO is died, but let me tell you, it didn't die, it just moved out. Your customers are no longer just Googling things, they are asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and the other AI tools. And right now, most businesses have zero idea if they are even showing up there. But here's the thing, there's a tool that tracks exactly where your brand ranks across all these major AI platforms in real time, and it takes less than 5 minutes to set it up. So hey guys, this is Basant here from the SaaS Guru, and in this video I'm going to do a detailed review and tutorial of the ZeroRank AI. So this is the AI visibility tracking tool built especially for the 2026 SEO here, and in this video I'm going to give you a detailed overview, features, demo, and in the end I will give you a tutorial how you are going to use it and set it up for your website to tracking your AI visibility. So let me ask you thing, when did you last time check if your business shows up on the ChatGPT if someone asks it or about anything around? Most people haven't, and that's the problem. Traditional SEO tools like the Href, SEMrush, they are built for the Google. They track keywords, backlinks, ranklinks on the search pages. That's great, but AI search work completely differently. When someone asks a question in the AI generates an answer. It doesn't show up a list of the 10 blue links. It picks up winner. If your brand isn't one of them, those winners, you are invisible. That's exactly the gap Zero Rank was built to solve up. Now, let me tell you what is the Zero Rank. So, what is the exactly this platform? ZeroRank is an AI search visibility platform. It tracks how your brand appears across all major AI models, including the ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, or the Google overviews. In the platform, we have the three core things available. Number one, the prompt tracking. You will add up your keywords and the topics and the queries in the ZeroRank, and it's automatically monitoring how AI platforms like the ChatGPT or the Gemini respond to those prompts. They are mentioning your brand or not. Are they recommending the competitor instead? You can easily check that. Number two core feature is the competitor analysis. You can even see exactly how your competitors are showing up in the AI generated answers. This is gold for positioning. And number three, it's optimization and the recommendation. It will tell you exactly what you need to rank or get feature on those AI answers. So this is the recommendation and the optimization section we are going to see up here. Now here's the best part. I'm going to give you a step-by-step tutorial from now on. You're easily able to do that. Just follow me step by step and click to click. So this is the Zero Rank platform, and let me tell you that its pricing is obviously available with the monthly or the yearly subscriptions. But here's the best part. It's lifetime release right now available on the app Sumo. It is starting from the $59, and right now it has the multiple tier plans available. What I suggest, go with the highest plan, because the higher plan you are going to choose the able to how many prompts or answers per month it is going to generate or track you. You can even generate the articles, and the content optimizations limits also will be the able you will see in the highest plan. So now let's back to the our tutorial here on the Zero Rank. First you have to ask your brand here. Okay, so in the brand you have to add it. So how you are going to add it? Suppose you are adding a new brand. Simply while setting up the account, it will ask you your website name, okay, then the web domain name, the location you want to track the prompts, okay, and after that you have to set it up. So once you have set up, you have to go to the prompt section here. In the prompt, simply you have to add the topic, or you can also add the prompts you want to track at. For example, in the this topic I want to add like the lifetime video AI tools. So this is the topic I have added here. Here I can select how many prompts I want to monitor or I want to track in this topic here. So let's go with the around 10 here, and this time I will simply click here on the create and generate. Now my this topic will be the created, and soon the prompts around this topic will be the popping up, and I am just simply going to analyze starting them. So this is just starting, and you can see here. Okay, first let me minimize this one. Yeah, you can see this is the lifetime AI tools, and this is topic here, and simply I have to accept which prompts I want to monitor here. So let me accept this one, this one, this one, and this one, this one, this one. So I think I have added around the 5 or 6 prompts in this topic. So I will go right now in the overview and start just checking out how many the questions or the prompts in AI lifetime reels for the video tools I am just checking up here. Okay, so I will go to the like all, and here I can just check out, like, see, this is the all the prompts I have, around the 11,000 prompts around the topics I have given here. But I want to see the how many prompts I have here. Okay, what are lifetime deals? Okay, let's back to the overview back again, and I will scroll down below, and here you can see which lifetime video tools, AI tools are worth buying for faceless YouTube channel. Okay, so these are the two things are right now mentioning here, and most of the places I am not able to rank in this here. So how I am going to get in the mentions in this answers here? For example, right now what I can do, I can just go to this section, that is the recommendation or content optimization here. Okay, so I can use these two options. So in the recommendation, this is going to help me to solve out the problems for overall my site, off page, on page, and the technical part. So this is the option where I am going to just see the recommendations. Off page, I have to do go on the Reddit, and in the Reddit I have to just get SaaS Guru mentioned. My brand need to be mentioned on these subreddits. This is the another subreddit, it is asking me to participate, and this is the another post, it is asking me for the Reddit to create the content around. Same goes for the YouTube, same goes for the this website and the this GitHub here. And this is the editorial part which I need to the optimize, like the article, listicles, products, and the other here. So this is off page, this is on page here, and this is the technical part here. So this is how it is giving you the recommendations that you need to re-evaluate, and you have to improve it so you can make your score higher. Right now my score is the 53, it's like something the 50%. Okay, so if I once I do the changes and I have improved that thing, I can always recheck and see if my score is re-evaluated to the higher or not. So that's how it is going to help you out. The second in the recommendation, after that we have the content optimization. So I will go here, the second option we have the content optimization. So in the content optimization, simply you have to give the URL of that content piece, and after that you have to select the topic on which you want to improve your overall AI visibility. Suppose I want to improve it for the lifetime video tools, and after that it will ask me to select the prompt on which I want to start mentioning myself here. So I will select that, and after that I have to just click here on the generate recommendation. It's, for example, right now here if I go to, I have a let me go to my website. Okay, and suppose this is the SEO tool lifetime deals. I will get back here, I will paste the link here, and from here I will select the best SEO tools, and I will select the prompt like what are the best SEO tools for the small business in 2026. Okay, so I will click on the generate recommendation. It will analyze my article. Okay, you can see the process is going on here, workflow. Okay, and after that it will give me the exact things I need to optimize here, so it can get the higher chances to mention by the AI. So while this thing is going on, I will go to the workflow. Okay, it is right now asking me the request. No worry, I think I have to go to the here. Yeah, you can see I have already done that for this one, and this is how its user interface open up. So right now my content that is imported from the article optimization, it's something like the messy. No worries, I can remove that and I can paste manually here. So here you will get the AEO score for your content. Make sure you make it around the up to the 100. The higher it is the or closer it is the 100, the more you are going to optimize for the optimization for the AI. Okay, this is the readability, context, freshness, structure, all this stuff. So you have to overall improve all these things. So if I click here on the recommendation, you can see this is the recommendation: add a TDLR answer box. Okay, I need to add an answer box. I need to implement a JSON LT item list. This is the schema I need to add. Standardize a deal card template with the limits, savings, and the ideal users. So all these things I need to add, and overall I have the chances to recommend myself as the AI answers. Okay, this is the analytics parts. Okay, and this is the setting part if you want to give or change the anything part here. Okay, so that's how its three main core features work out. The first step, you have to add your brand, add the topics, and the find out the prompts you can monitor. The second, we have given you the step-by-step tutorial how you can monetize, how you can optimize, sorry, how you can optimize your content and follow the recommendation to improve your AEO. And the third one is the core feature is just checking out your competitors. Once you add your brand and the website URL, it will automatically find out the top higher competitors that are ranking most of your keywords or the prompt here. For example, my competitors are these. I can instantly check out all of their articles and the how many the prompts they are ranking. For example, this is the my competitor. I can scroll down and I can see here like for which prompts they are ranking. Okay, so this is how you can even monitor your competitors as well. So here we have this few more options available. This is the overview, this is the prompt, and here are the chats. So in the chat you can instantly check out. For example, if I open up this chat, someone just asked this question, the how the chat GPT or the another like the Perplexity is responding. Like I will go to the chat GPT and I will see out like in suppose someone asked the question on the chat GPT. This is how the chat GPT respond here. Okay, this is how you can actually see it here. So you can also click here on the view prompt, or you can also open up in the full page. Now this is for the Perplexity. Someone asked the same thing on the Perplexity. This is how the Perplexity will respond and give the answer to that person here. Okay, this is the sources. In the sources it will just show up the domains like your competitors or the citizens. Okay, this is the reports. You can also build up the reports, or you can download for any competitor, for any site. If you are doing the freelancing, you can also create this report for your brand as well, or someone else you are managing here. So with this tool, not only you can improve your own AEO, means the your search optimization or the mentioning in the AI, but you can also do it for the other brands. The options and the capabilities available in the platform, you have to simply go to the this section and create a new workspace if you are going to manage your or someone else brand here. So this is the ZeroRank. It has the all the features available that really crazy here. If I talk about it's actually worth it or not, so let me tell you. Here's the my honest take. If you are serious about the visibility in the 2026, you cannot afford to only track on the Google rankings anymore. AI search is where your customers are going. So ZeroRank is one of the very few tools built especially for that. The interface is clean, the setup is super fast, the insights are genuinely actionable, and for like agencies, marketers, or someone that have a business and want to rank on the AI, this is a tool I will definitely suggest you. Okay, and I will give it the I think 9 or 10. The only reason is not 10 is because it's still early in this stage and its data is going to be the richer over time, and that's not an argument to start with it. So that's why I am right now giving it like 9 out of 10 here. So the link is given in the description for the ZeroRank lifetime deal. Go check it out. They have a also team that will help you to personally onboard you. If you found this review helpful and smash that like button, it genuinely helps this channel to grow. Subscribe if you are new to here, because I review the best SaaS tools, AI tools, and lifetime deals every week. If you want to see me how to ZeroRank compare with the traditional SEO tools like the HRF or the SEMrush, I'm going to cover that in my next video. Just let me know in the comments you want that. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.